Hi everyone, make delicious rice and beans jollof with me. If you're new here, kindly like and follow us to get notification of our new videos. So over here I have my pot here. I'll be going in with some palm oil with this first. Oil, a little. Allow this oil to get hot a bit. So I'm going with onion. This side. Sorry. Sorry. That. Thank you. So with this, tomato paste. Let's see, guys. We don't fry this for 2 minutes. I'm going to use my leftover stew and fish stock. Crayfish. Leftover stew and fish stock. So I'll cover and allow this to cook for at least 3 minutes. So guys, our tomato base is cooking beautifully. So time to go in with the parboiled washed rice. Stir properly. I'm going in with the cooked beef. This beans is about 80% done. So, can you see? Yeah. I'm going to taste and adjust the salt or any other lacking ingredients. So, let me taste. So I will cover and allow to cook for at least 7 to 10 minutes. Stay tuned. Where are you watching us from? Give us a like, guys, comment, subscribe to our post. It's a way to encourage us to do more. Thank you and stay tuned. So guys, after about 10 minutes of cooking, our rice is ready. So I'll stir at this point. Can you see, guys? Can you see this beauty? Oh my god! Can you see, guys? Ooh. Can you see this delicious sumptuousness? Wow. A delicious rice and beans jollof is perfectly ready, guys. Time to serve. Stay tuned. Guys, my delicious rice and beans jollof is ready. who is hungry, come and have a taste of this delicious sumptuousness. Thank you guys for watching and for listening, and to have a great evening. Bye. Hmm.